Hi everyone, welcome to the code tutorial, and in this Python series tutorial we are going to learn about multiple condition. We have already learned about single condition, which we have just recorded in previous lesson. If you have not watched that one, just go and watch and learn how to use single condition in Python. And in this lesson we are going to go in more deep in multiple condition in Python. Now let's get started. Okay, first you are going to come in Python, and I have Jupyter notebook, therefore you are going to write some variable like score. I'm going to write, and I'm going to assign simple integer in that one, and we are going to call some condition. For example, if score is okay, we have already learned about like assigning and equality portion in previous lesson. And if you don't know what is assigning, like assigning variable, and what is equality, you have to watch the previous lesson. But you can see that if score is 20, then what should be the print your number is 20. Okay, now when I'm going to run, and you will see that your number is 20, and if I'm going to change like 25, then you will get no message. But if the condition, for example, the score is not 20, then we are like making one new statement, and it should be your score is different than 20. Okay, now you will get like your score is different than 20. If it should be 20, like it is 20, and your number is 20. Okay, now that is like equality. How about if I'm going to say that score is 20 and it should be like greater than 20, then I may get this message. If it is not greater than 20, then I may get this message. Okay, now since score is not greater than 20, then we may get this message. Let me run, and you are getting like your score is different than 20. It means we are using greater and assigning the word which is greater than 20. Now if it is greater than 20, the score is greater than 20, it means if it is 21, then I will get like the score, your number is greater than 20. Okay, now for example, if I'm going to run, your number is greater than 20, your score is less than 20, and we are going to say less than or equal to 20. Okay, now I'm going to run. For example, it is 20, then your number is greater. Okay, we are going to run. Your number is less or equal to 20, since it is equal. If it is less than 20, and you can see that now again you are getting same square. If it is like 21, then you will get like your number is greater than 20, and if it could be like 1 to 1, and you will get the same message. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to impose some more verification or some more numbers and some more conditions in that one. It means we are going to add multiple condition, and if score is 20, then what should be like next condition, else if. Okay, now if we are going to add more condition, then what should be like that condition. First condition, I will say that if less than 20, then you should work hard to get better score. Okay, now else if, we are going to say that else if score is maybe less than 40, then what should be the option? Then we are going to say that your score is okay then again we are going to write like else if score is less than and maybe 80, then we are saying print you are doing great job and keep it up. Then else we are going to say that if and else if score is less than and okay, we are going to use one more equality, less than and equal. Then we are going to say print you are amazing, you are amazing. Okay, now what about if I'm getting like less than 20, less than 20, it means 90, then I have to get, you should work hard to get better. If I have less than like 40, 35 for example, then your score is okay. Okay, now that condition is coming. If it is like less than for example 80 and I have 75 score, then it will saying you are doing great job, keep it up. Okay, if I have like 95% or score, you are amazing. How about if I'm getting like 120, then your score is less or equal, I'm getting that number, and we are going to write that your score is okay. We are going to say please write correct number. Okay, then now please write correct number, because more than 100 we don't have a number. Okay, there are students who are getting score, or there is sports which is like working, and if they are like writing 110, and then there could be like it should not be the case, and please write the correct number. And we are going to say okay, I have 100, and it is saying you are amazing. And if it's like more than 80, like we have 80, then it is also saying you are amazing. But if I have 79, then it will go to like that score. Okay, and I will get output where you are doing great job, keep it up. Okay, you are doing great job and keep it up, and it we are getting like this output. And it means that whatsoever you are going to write here, and it will give you that information. For example, if I'm going to include 20 as well in the same like 40, and we are going to also add the equality sign as well. And now if I'm going to like get 20 number or 20 score, then that message will come. Okay, otherwise if I don't have like equal sign, then it will like go in that score, because I'm saying that if less than 20 and 20 is not included, which directly go to the second condition, that it is imposing like 20 in here. But if I'm going to write like 20, then we are getting like 20 is also included. If I'm going to write like 21, then you will see that now it is jumping to like in second condition. And if it is like 80, then it will go to like in third condition. And if it is more than like 81, then it will jump to the final condition here, like that condition. Now let me just give you an example. And if it is like more than 100, then you will get like please write correct answer. And if I'm going to give a comment here like please, and I'm going to give here like okay, and here wrong number condition, wrong score condition. Okay, Okay, we are going to just write here something. Therefore we are going to just use like a hash sign, and here we get like wrong score. And you can also give a comment for different condition as well. For example, if I'm going to give a comment here, and we are going to write like your score is too low, and here we have like condition. Okay, now we can also give different condition like wrong score condition, and we are going to write like okay, and here is the condition, and I'm going to run that condition, and you can just make more readable your Python programming. Now I hope you got and understand that how you are going to use multiple condition and how you are going to use less than or equal to. Again, if you can also use like greater than. Okay, if the number is greater than the 20, what should be the condition, and if the number is greater than 80, what should be the condition. I will give that as a challenge to you, and you should also program according to greater, using the greater sign, and make your program similar to my program, which I have done with multiple condition. You are also going to do the same thing, and just give me a link of that program, and I will check and give you feedback about that one. If you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed here, subscribe for more amazing video. Thank you everyone.